Finally, the moment Tesla fans have been eagerly awaiting is here, and it's about to flip everything you thought you knew about affordable electric cars. In a bold and surprising move, Elon Musk just revealed the one thing that traditional car makers and Wall Street truly didn't want to hear: a game-changing EV for 2026 that's built for R. Everyday people, not just the wealthy. Remember when Elon hinted that the real focus is on affordability and using existing lines, and that there are always limitations when you use existing production lines as to how many different versions you can produce? Does that sound familiar? Well, that cryptic remark just became crystal clear. Tesla isn't merely creating a new car, they're putting together an entire system to leverage their existing factories and rapidly produce millions of these cars worldwide faster than anyone thought was possible. But here's the real question: why 2026? Why is Tesla preparing the Model 2 to roll into cities, towns, and even remote villages across the globe at lightning speed? In this video, we'll unpack Tesla's secret master plan for launching the Model 2 worldwide, why legacy car companies are already scared, and how this new EV connects to Tesla's massive distribution network that's been carefully assembled for years. Before we jump in, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of Tesla's revolutionary updates. Help us grow our Auto Intel community to 1,000 subscribers. Let's kick things off with the big one: Tesla's new Megapack cluster in Texas. From 2025 to 2026, Tesla will complete one of the world's most powerful energy hubs in Angleton, Texas. This mammoth facility will have a whopping 1.2 gigawatt-hours of energy capacity. To put that into plain terms, each Megapack can store up to 3.9 megawatt-hours, enough to power 3,600 homes for an hour. Here's the game changer that most people haven't noticed yet. Tesla has carefully placed this energy hub so it can drive down electricity costs at Gigafactory, Texas, where the Model 2 will roll off the line. And affordable energy means affordable cars. That's Tesla's secret. With stable and cheap electricity fueling production, Tesla can dramatically cut the cost of every Model 2 built. Even better, the car itself is part of the plan. Tesla's new lithium iron phosphate battery system will allow Model 2s to act as tiny power stations, sending electricity back to the grid when they're parked. Ever wondered if your car could pay you while you sleep? Tesla is making that a reality. Just picture this. If 1 million Model 2 charged at night and sent power back to the grid at peak hours, they'd generate up to 15 gigawatt hours per day, 15 times the capacity of Nevada's entire battery system. Doesn't that blow your mind? On top of that, Tesla's new 4,680 cells will give the Model 2 an incredible 390-mile range at a 20% lower cost than current batteries. That's a $5,000 savings per car before you even drive it. And you know what that means: serious savings. Traditional EV batteries can cost up to $12,000. Tesla's Model 2? They aim for just $4,000 to $6,000 per car. Would you jump at the chance to buy a car that actually earns you passive income? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Next up, why Tesla is keeping the Model 2 under wraps as the world's secret weapon for 2025. Ever wondered why Tesla hasn't been spilling all the details? It's a calculated strategy that could forever shift the automotive landscape. Unlike other brands who tease expensive EVs years before they're ready, Tesla is strategically staying quiet. By the time they roll out the Model 2 for $25,000 to $30,000, competitors like BYD and Volkswagen will already be on the back foot. That undercuts BYD's seal by at least 30% and opens up Tesla to millions of new customers who could never touch an EV before. Pretty clever, right? And this is where Tesla's plan truly scales. Right now, electric car adoption in places like Africa, South America, and Southeast Asia is under 5% because EVs simply cost too much. But Model 2 low price could jump Tesla's potential market by 50% overnight, reaching a staggering 1.5 billion people who have been priced out of EVs so far. Does that sound like the kind of disruption that could change the game forever? And Tesla's plan doesn't stop at sales. Analysts project that by 2028, Tesla could sell 2 million Model 2s every year, capturing up to 10% of the global EV market. This is the affordable Tesla that Elon Musk teased in his 2016 master plan, coming to life in the most powerful way imaginable. And here's the twist most people don't realize. Tesla may tie autonomous driving directly into Model 2 from launch. Imagine buying a car that can earn its own keep as an autonomous taxi when you're not using it. Tesla's full self-driving tech is adopted by about 12% of Tesla owners today, but with Model 2, that rate could hit 50% by 2027. Would you let your car drive itself and pay you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. And what about Tesla's impact on traditional transportation? Get ready for a serious shakeup. Personal car ownership will never look the same again. Tesla will offer the Model 2 at a starting price around $11,000 to $14,000. That's up to 45% less than a standard Toyota or Hyundai compact car. At just $85 per month with credits and incentives, Tesla will put car ownership within reach of millions more people. And that's going to make public transit look outdated overnight. Imagine, with a Tesla network powered by fleets of Model 2, an affordable ride-hailing robotaxi will appear wherever you need one. Instead of spending $130 to $170 on a bus pass each month, working families could hop into a Tesla and go, "Can you believe that could improve mobility for millions?" Let me know your thoughts. I'd love to see your ideas in the comments. And as if that weren't enough, Tesla's Model 2 could help the environment too. 2 million of these cars could prevent up to 15 million tons of CO2 annually. Even better, Tesla expects each autonomous Model 2 to replace 3.2 gas-powered cars by allowing more people to share one vehicle. That could slash city parking needs by up to 60% as Tesla's cars circulate continuously instead of sitting idle most of the time. Would you like to see your city go green with Tesla? Tell me where you'd put the first Model 2 in your city. Finally, let's dive into Tesla's plan for global dominance. Tesla is preparing a truly massive manufacturing ramp-up. They're not thinking small. Right now, Tesla's capacity is 2.35 million vehicles annually, but by 2027 they plan to make up to 6 million Model 2s every year. That means a 300% jump in capacity across gigafactories spanning Texas, Berlin, Shanghai, and Mexico. That's up to 4.5 million Model 2s rolling off assembly lines annually. An automotive feat we've never witnessed before. And Tesla will do all this without middlemen. Selling direct to customers, they'll cut dealer markups by $3,000 to $5,000 per car. Plus, Tesla will expand its mobile service fleet to 50,000 technicians who come directly to you. Even the supercharger network is exploding, tripling to 150,000 stations worldwide, so you'll never worry about charging. And Tesla will introduce even more financing options. With Tesla's Robotaxi program, owners could pay off their Model 2 entirely by allowing autonomous rides to work for them. Tesla will also accept trade-ins of any car, even ones that don't run, removing that last barrier to Tesla ownership. And they're already launching their 3FA's global rollout. Phase 1 hits North America and Western Europe in 2026 with 2 million units. Phase 2 brings another 2.5 million units to Asia-Pacific and Eastern Europe in 2027. And Phase 3 will deliver 1.5 million units to Latin America and Africa by 2028 places most traditional car makers ignore. Tesla is going where no one else has gone before. With 78% of Tesla's components produced in-house and a 60% cut in labor costs thanks to robotic assembly, Tesla has an edge nobody can match. Does this sound like the most ambitious Tesla plan you've ever seen? Tell me what you think. Will the Model 2 be Tesla's most game-changing car yet? Before we wrap up, let's take a quick moment to sum up why all this matters. Tesla isn't just building a new car, they're launching a global ecosystem that could put affordable EVs and autonomous transport within reach of millions. From their new Texas Megapack hubs and lithium batteries to their super aggressive manufacturing scale and autonomous tech, Tesla is delivering on every impossible promise they've made. And remember, if you want to help us hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers and never miss a single Tesla update, smash that subscribe button right now. Join the Auto Intel family and be part of this exciting future. Don't forget to hit that notification bell too so you'll never miss Tesla's next big move. So what do you think? Will the Model 2 be Tesla's biggest triumph? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Danny, and I'll see you in the next one.